Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, DB211 with Emma, and if you're new here, I would love for you to hang about just a little bit longer, hit the subscribe button, my notification bell, every time I load a video to YouTube reviews, you will be notified on your phone, your tablet, your iPad, your watch, possibly your computer, and maybe your TV if you know how to work that one. Then returning, welcome back, it's so good to see you, I do miss you when you're not here. So welcome back to the next part of Teach You Tuesday, How to Diamond Paint. So, how are we getting on? Have you been using those naughty places like a man on fire? Or are you still struggling? Remember what I said to you last week, peoples? Practice, practice, practice. But what's going to happen if you do something wrong? What happens if there's things stuck to your canvas and you cannot get them off? Tweezers will take too long. Tweezers might not even lift certain little bits. Like, I know how difficult it is to take a cat off my canvas. Very difficult, even with good tweezers. I'm going to show you today what to do when something goes wrong with your canvas, mainly if something gets stuck on it. So come over here, we'll have a look. Hello and welcome back to Teach You Tuesday. What will you do if something gets stuck to your canvas? You could sit and pick all of the tweezers. Well, you could, but it doesn't mean to say it's going to work all the time. And being in that position, done it before, it takes way too long. So let's just get you into this canvas a little bit closer. Okay, so here we have our sticky. But you're diamond painting, let's say first thing in the morning or in the evening, and you pick up a piece of paper to read. It could be a letter, it could be a newspaper, or it could be a sticky labels for your containers. That side here, beside the labels, now I haven't tried this, might not stick. Nope, that's fine because that is the release paper. The other side, however, it's stuck down. You didn't realise what you were doing and you've stuck it down onto your canvas. You could take it off, but then you're left with this. Oh no, what can I do now? Oh my goodness me. I have the perfect solution for you, and this is not my tip. I got this from someone on Facebook. I can't remember who or what group it was because it was a couple of years ago. Baby wipes. Any baby wipes. You take off as much as you can. But the baby wipes will take off that last piece at the bottom. I'm going to get a fresh wet one because that one's lying out before I started the video. It's starting to dry off. These are just Amazon ones. I will actually buy these in bulk for myself and my daughter because I use a lot of baby wipes at work. I will pop a link in. There we go. Yeah, it will be slidey. So what you do is you let it dry. Baby wipes work a charm. Takes off that residue. See if you look around here, taking a piece off and you're left with that little bit at the back. Baby wipes takes that right off. This is a very quick video. I will leave a link for the wipes that I use. It could be any, it doesn't have to be these ones, any baby wipes at all. Baby wipes are the perfect solution. That's completely cleared. So what's going to look, I'll bring it in. What's going to happen now, because the adhesive is wet, that is very, very slidey and not sticky. Please wait until it dries. That's completely cleared. Once it's dry, it is good to go. We'll give that a little minute. Okay, so this is pretty much completely dried. And it's still maybe a little bit slidey. It's not completely dried. It's been about 2 minutes. But look, the sticky is back. It is completely workable again. There's no residue of the paper that got stuck down. It will say it would work for hair. If, say you have a cat or a dog and you get hair over your diamond painting, or even your own hair. That's happened to me before. I've noticed that I put down diamonds and I'm thinking, why is there a hair stuck out in that? I've had to take diamonds off just to take the hair off. A baby wipe would take that off. Hair, dust, paper, anything that gets stuck to your canvas, doesn't matter if it's poured glue or double-sided adhesive. A baby wipe will take it off, let it dry, and completely workable again. Look at this. And that's that. Now, is there anything else? Yes. Okay, so if you caught last Thursday's whip and chat, you wouldn't have seen the mistake I done. I put over here, see all this dark purple right here? Yeah, I put them down in the wrong place. So what you simply do is, it's not difficult, especially if it is. I'm actually going to put that cover paper back on because I am sticking to this piece of canvas. But look at it. It's not that difficult. It is time consuming, but it's not that difficult. Flip it up with the tweezers and put them in the right place. It's time consuming, but that's all you need to do. You don't have to sit and pick at them. You flip it. I'm going to bring this in closer so you can see exactly what I'm doing. There. Flip it up. Then grab them. Flip it up. And grab. I'll wipe off on your finger. I'm going to take another one for the same colour so don't confuse myself. Flip it up. If you don't have tweezers, they're cheap enough to get, and you'll probably get a set in your diamond painting kit if you buy a square kit. I'll talk about that in another video later down the line. But this was a very quick Teach You Tuesday and what happens when mistakes happen. Mistakes will always happen. This is something you can do when things go wrong. I'm just going to pop these back in now because it's annoying me that I've taken them out. Come on. Two to find, and I don't know where I put them. Yeah, if you do take them out, put them in a tray because they will be difficult to find if them in amongst colours the same. I'll find that one in a minute. What I've gone for. But yeah, simple as that. Please join me again for next week's Teach You Tuesday and How to Diamond Paint, where I show you the benefits of using a light pad. Thank you for watching. Tatty byes.